In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Firefox issues with Microsoft Copilot. If you're opening Copilot in Firefox and something feels off, the first thing we'll do is simply ask Copilot inside Firefox whether there are any current issues between Copilot and Firefox. When it does load, type a quick question like, "Are there known issues with Copilot in Firefox right now?" and let it respond with the latest. This is a fast way to confirm whether what you're seeing lines up with broader reports. Here's the quick answer as of now. Yes, some users are reporting problems using Copilot in Firefox, but it's not a widespread outage. That means the overall service is up, yet certain Firefox sessions or configurations are running into trouble. The most common symptom is that Copilot chat doesn't fully load. Instead of the usual chat interface, you might only see the settings view. Even more confusing, a reload can appear to help for a moment and then break the page again, so it feels intermittent or random. If you've already tried clearing cookies or your cache, you're not alone. People have reported that this doesn't consistently fix the issue. Sometimes it seems to help temporarily, other times it changes nothing. That inconsistency is a clue that you're not dealing with a simple local glitch. It points to a compatibility hiccup that can surface and disappear across reloads, sessions, or different profiles. Now, even though users are seeing these loading problems, the overall service status indicates there's no major outage. In practical terms, that means the Copilot backend is generally healthy, and what you're experiencing is more about how Firefox and the Copilot web app are interacting at the moment. It's helpful to remember this so you don't waste time assuming your account, your connection, or your device is fundamentally broken. So here's how to approach it today. First, try to confirm inside Firefox by asking Copilot about current issues if you can get it to load. If it won't load and only the settings appear, that behavior matches the reports. If reloading fixes it briefly and then breaks again, that also matches what others are seeing. And if you've already cleared cookies or cache without success, know that it's a known pattern and not necessarily something you did wrong. Give it a little time and try again later, and keep an eye on whether the chat interface loads reliably on a fresh visit. That's it for now. Understanding the current situation helps you avoid chasing false fixes and focus on what matters. Verifying the issue, recognizing the known symptoms, and knowing that there isn't a full outage behind it.